Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we'll be picking few cards, Aquarius. So, these are for your general energies first, guys. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. For your moon energies today, we'll be picking one card. So, this is your card. I will leave it here. And for your love guidance, this is the card, guys. I will leave this card here. And one card for your fortune cookie. We will see what it is as we proceed into the reading, guys. Aquarius. So, if you like this reading and if this reading resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So, let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So, we have Three of Wands, Ten of Cups, Two of Pentacles in reverse. So, in your circumstances, guys, Aquarius, maybe today you are happy the way things are going. Maybe in your work situation, whatever plans you have, it's going as you have planned, and you are happy for it. And you are waiting for the next move or the next offer to come towards you. So you have a lot of opportunities coming and you are happy with the way things are going today. And maybe you are expecting something, maybe expecting an answer for something important today. Or it may be some projects you are dealing with in your work circumstances, guys. So, some good projects or deals are on the way. You have seen the beginning. Maybe you are waiting for some concrete answer, maybe some agreements or some definite answer from someone. Or it may be your circumstance in this relationship. You are happy with this person, happy to be here with them, the way this relationship is going. You have mutual love, understanding, and trust. So, circumstances are really good, really positive. You have that harmony, balance, and peace of mind in this relationship. You simply love this person, you love their company. So, it may be your energy or their energy towards this relationship. Maybe they are thinking of marriage or commitment, or you are thinking of marriage or commitment, or the future of this relationship. So maybe you have asked this person certain things, whether they are interested in marriage or a deep committed relationship, and you are expecting their answer. And today you are getting that answer, guys. Maybe for some of you, I see this person telling you what they truly feel and what they truly want. Maybe what future they have dreamt about, and whether that dream involves you, guys. So, some good news is coming your way. It may be a letter or a message from this person, something giving you happiness, something uh, giving you, adding to your happiness today for most of you guys. But for some of you, there is something, maybe for some of you, it may go in a negative way. Maybe this person uh, may ask for some more time to think and decide. So, let's see what is the card for your relationship. We picked one card, and it is Seven of Cups. So, today, Aquarius, you may have a lot of dreams about this love. Maybe dreams about the future of this love, where things are going. But for some of you, these dreams are coming into reality. But for some of you, these dreams are just dreams, guys. It may not happen. So, that is what I see, guys, with these cards for your relationship. So, let's see what are the cards for your. What is the card? We picked one card, Page of Cups. So, in your work situation, you are really confident, happy, and there is something good coming your way. Some good news is coming towards you. Uh, Even in your relationship, guys, I feel that with all these cards together, it may be a good news for all of you. For some of you, it may be an immediate acceptance of your proposal. For some of you, this person may ask for some more time, maybe uh, a few months' time to get committed to you. So, but overall, I see that it is a good news today in your work and even in your relationship, guys, Aquarius. So, for your moon energies, Aquarius, we picked one card. Show the world the real you. Full moon in Aquarius. So, with this card, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances you are thinking too much, maybe. But today, you should think with your heart, not with your head. It will not work in the right way, guys. And this card asks you to detach yourself from some circumstance you are too much involved in, guys, maybe. And maybe someone is pushing you away, and that may be for a reason. And you need to know that you are unique, just like that each and every one of us are unique. And if you are holding yourself back, not showing the real you because you are afraid that people may not accept you or people may not relate to that truthful person you are, you need to show yourself, guys. Be yourself. So that is what this card is about. So you should be yourself no matter what your situation is. And maybe in your circumstances, there is something unexpected coming to you, guys, Aquarius. Some unexpected circumstance, it may just pop up. So you need to, what to say, detach yourself from circumstance or maybe from some person, because what is happening right now is something different, something you never expected in your circumstance. That is what we were speaking about, guys. Maybe for some of you this person will accept your proposal, but for some of you they may ask some time. And you need to be aware of your feelings, what you truly feel in your heart of hearts, and be prepared. So it may be a make or a break time today in your circumstances. So whatever comes your way, it is something you never expected, guys. So that is what I see with these cards. So let's see what is the love guidance for you all today. Aquarius, we picked one card, Vision. So with this card, guys, it just means that you are going through a lot in your life, and the way you see your circumstances are changing because of all that experience, all that knowledge you have gained in your life. and you are evolving into a better physical, spiritual, and an emotional being. And today you see your circumstances with a better perception. And maybe if you are someone interested in some creative art, maybe you are in your heart of hearts, deep down, you are passionate about something, you must go towards that, guys. Maybe you love to sing, or you love to paint, or whatever it is, something is calling you. You must go towards that divine calling, because that is going to show you the true purpose of your life, and that is going to bring about that oneness of your being. So you must let that happen today. Move towards that spiritual evolution, guys, Aquarius. So that is the guidance here for you all. So, time for your fortune cookie. We will see what it is. Intuition. Such an apt card for you all, guys, today. Trust your intuition. It's a great time to learn a new skill, change careers, or invest money. So, that is your lucky guidance today for your Aquarius. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.